Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, uh, welcome back to my video. Here I will create a tutorial video about BGP Cisco router vector. Okay, let's get started. This you uh, uh, you make topology this and you block this, and you click right and start. Okay, is finished, and you double click here and you open this. Sorry, you can double click here and you open here, and this you uh, click enter. Okay, okay, first you type no and enter. Okay, you can type you can click enter again. Okay, this Cisco there are several levels, where at MikroTik you can configure it directly. However, at Cisco you have to go through uh, stages, uh, several stages, namely their stage. Uh, this this is uh, this is the first level. Okay, uh, here you can tap in enable. This to enter level 2, tap enable here and you click enter. Okay, and this is the second level. To enter level 3 you can tap this configure terminal. Okay, configure terminal and you click enter. Okay, uh, this uh, this is a sign that you have reached the third level. Where can you get an IP address? Okay, this you type uh, interface interface a interface a this. Okay, interface this A00, and you click enter. Okay, this is if there is an if seg, it means you uh, can already set the IP address on the uh, A on the A0 A00. This is interface. Okay, next uh, this you tape no shutdown. Okay, no shutdown. No shutdown. This is so that the interface does not go down. Okay, and then you click enter. Next, uh, you can tap exit and enter. And next, you tap router BGP. Okay, this here in this section, enter the number. Since we are using the 10 and what 10 and 10 and 20 areas here, area here in this area 10 and this area 20. Okay, okay, next uh, okay, next you take 10 here, click enter, and you take this neighbor neighbor uh, neighbor 10 10 10 and 2 and run as okay. This uh, this is uh, neighbor section. Enter the uh, opponent IP address. Okay, IP address 10 10 10 and 2, and remote AS10. This is the opponent area number or IP address, because in BGP we use the uh, word neighbor. Okay, next you can click enter again. Okay, you uh, type neighbor neighbor again, neighbor, and prepare this. source. So A0. Okay, update source A00. This update source is useful for updating BGP because they are changed to IP address or other things. Okay, next we type in this network, then 10 10 and 0 and subnet mask 255 255 and 252. Okay, network this the network here serves to add for this your network here this network. Okay, next you enter again this you type and here uh here you enter the second level. Okay, this second level, this the second level. Okay, uh you can type configure. Oh, I forgot here. I forgot here. You can change the name by typing configure terminal. Configure terminal. Okay, configure terminal. And you use type host name. And you type name new name this L for router for and enter. Okay, this is a rename. Okay, you type do right. After you have uh, finished setting it up, you must save it uh, manually because in Cisco the configuration must be saved manually, not uh, automatically like in Microtik. Therefore, you must type the command if it is at the second level. Means do right this. Okay, next. Okay, and you tap exit and you tap right right menu. Okay, next you open router one. Okay, enter, no, okay, you tap N, just tap N. This is an abbreviation. Source code can also be abbreviated like in microtik. Okay, enter, contact. This is the this is the third level. You can rename rename a router. You can what you can take hostname, hostname router one. After that, set the hostname as usual, which is router one, and you enter. Okay. Router one. Then you set the IP address on the A0A and A01. This A0A and A01. This is interface. Interface A00 and A01. The quick way to do this is in what uh, in in A00, and you click enter. Okay. uh, you type IP add 10 10 10 and 2, and you type subnet mask. Okay, and you tap no shut no shutdown, enter, and tap exit and enter. Okay, then we will set it to interface A01. A01. You tap in A0/1 and enter. Then tap in the IP at 10 not 10 not 20 not 1. Then enter the subnet mask 255 not 255. You tap what? Oh, yes, IP address, IP address, IP address, IP address. Sorry guys. IP address. Oh, IP address 10 not 10 not
10 and 1 eh 20 21 and subnet mask. Okay, you tap you click enter and you tap no shutdown. Then tap no shutdown to prevent the interface from shutting down. Okay, you tap exit. Tap exit and you tap a router BGP 10 and you tap neighbor 10 and 10 and tap remote AS 10 enter and tap again neighbor 10 and you tap update source update source interface a 0/0 and you tap and you can and you can what click enter. Okay, after we set up the remote AS10 and neighbor and update source neighbor, we then set up the network as well. Okay, you can tap network this IP. This is network in this. Okay, you can tap subnet mask 255.255.252. Okay, guys. So here we have something called uh, road reflector or RR double R. A road reflector is a router designed to uh, solve stability issues in the BGP routing protocol by reflecting routes learned from one iBGP router to another iBGP router, called a client within an auto, uh, autonomous system or AS. Okay, next. This uh, you tap neighbor again, neighbor. You can tap IT IP disk, okay, IP disk, and remote AS.
Then enter again.
Update.
Update source. Update source interface A 0/1. This 0 interface 0/1. Okay, next enter. You tap uh, network network this network, okay, network this, and you tap subnet mask 255 255 255 and 252, and you tap N, okay, and take uh, right memory. Okay, next you open in router 2. Okay, no, and you set rename uh, R2, and you type in I0/0, and next you type uh, IP address IP address uh, and subnet mask 255 255 255 252. Okay, next enter, and you type no shutdown and tap exit. Exit. Okay, next you tap interface interface uh, interface A0/1, enter, and you can tap it again. This IP IP here IP here this IP area 20. Ah, next, enter, and you tap no shutdown, down, and enter, and exit. Okay, and you tap this router, router BGP. Then you tap neighbor again. Okay, neighbor, then 10 and 20 and 1. Remote what remote AS 10. Enter. uh, you tap update source. Update source interface A 0/0. Enter. And you tap network, then 10 and 20 and 2 and subnet mask. Okay, and enter, and then you tap neighbor again, neighbor, and you tap IP here, IP this, in this, 20, 22, remote, remote, AS 20, and enter, and tap update, update source, source interface A0/1, and next enter, and you tap network, you tap IP, IP, and subnet mask, and you tap and tap right, memory, memory, okay, and enter. Okay, finish. You uh next, you can open this, open router 3. double click, enter, click no. Okay,
You tap again in what? Tap again in router 4, 1 and 2 in router 3.
you can tap no, you and enter con conf
Conf and hostname. Name router 3 and tap in interface A00, enter and tap IP add 202022 subnet mask 255 and you tap what no shutdown and exit. Okay, next you tap router BGP 20. This you tap navbar again, navbar remote IaaS 10. Tap update source interface A0 A0/0 and enter and you tap network again. Subnet mask okay, enter and you tap N. Okay, next you tap write memory. Okay, now here we will check
the BGP table. The command is AD BGP. Enter. Now
you can see that the network on the left is already connected to the network on the right, but we still cannot ping from end to end. Let's try ping. Okay, ping. Uh, okay. Well, here it shows uh, success rate is 0%, which means it cannot be sent. Okay. Well, uh, next, let's try pinging in this router 2. Router 2. The left and see if it works. Okay. Uh, ping. Ping. Okay. This says here success rate is 100%. It means successful. Okay, next.
Uh, try moving. Try moving uh, to router 4 to check the BGP table here. This is still a level. What? This is still level 1. So much to level 2 first. Uh, oh yeah, there is a difference in the command at a level 3. Namely, you have to tap the command do. Without do, it will not work. Okay. Uh, okay. Ping. Uh, sorry. Okay, not work. Okay. You tap do and ping. Uh, I recognize it as this. Uh, wait. ping plus udah lo ngerjain bisa.
Okay guys, sorry, is the trouble. This you can tapping do not do this and enter. You can see this is invalid, and you tap do ping. Okay, this sorry guys, trouble. Okay, next, here you have a ping, but only between AS. But if you ping to a different AS, you cannot you cannot do so because you have not implemented what is called root refactor. You can also view configuration you have created with the command show run sorry, exit. Nah, now we just need to set up. You can also view the configuration you have created with the command show run and AceBGP. Now we just need to set up the root refactor so that the router in AS 10 can communicate with the router in AS this 10 AS 10 and this AS 20. Okay, let's move on to level 3. You tap router BGP 10. Sorry guys. In this okay, router BGP 10. You tap next bar. tap IP. And route reflector client, and you tap again neighbor. Okay, reflector, and enter. Okay, so R1 with the reflector, this R1 with the reflector, while R2 and R4 will be the clients. And actually you don't have to set it up on router 1. You can set it up on router 2, but router 4 must be connected to router 2 with a cable. Okay, so this is a simple illustration. Okay, this topology, this is a simple illustration. So next, you set the road reflector fully on router 1 only. Okay guys, sorry guys. Okay, you can see there, if there is a seg like this, this okay, it means you can ping from end to end, okay. Constant and looping. Twenty and 2. Okay guys, so after you ping router 4 to communicate with router 3, and you see a message like this, a message like where like where
Fuck you, bro. What's wrong with you?
like this. Success rate is 100%. Road treatment slash avg slash max 4/4/5 ms. This means that the ping was successful. If there is no message, it means that something is wrong. If you uh, if you cannot if you can see not like this, it means your trouble in here. Okay, you can repeat my you can try again, configure in this and this. Okay guys, so thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching my video. See you later guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.